It's Slime Rancher! Thank you so much, Sage, for buying me Slime Rancher. I've heard a lot of good things about this game. Mostly that I'm going to love it, but I've never seen anyone play it, and I've never played it. So I guess I'm just gonna start a new game. Stinky. Choose a save icon. How many? Oh, that guy looks stinky. Look at them all. They're so cute. And then there's just a chicken. Interesting. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far, Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. That's me? Oh. Oh, look. They're gonna teach you WASD. Okay. Basic controls for a keyboard. Can do jumps. And they want me to sprint. Okay. Got it. Your vac pack can vac things up and store them. Come here. Wait, hey. Got him. You vacked a slime. Slimes are your key to success. Shoot slimes through a corral barrier into the corral on the ranch. This one? That was way too far. And that wasn't far enough. Okay, maybe if I go up? Is he ever gonna... That was way too high. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. Oh my god, how? Wait. What is a plort? Can I shoot gently? Bro, help me. How do you do this? Oh, yes. Oh, I can... I thought I couldn't walk through it. Well, that makes it a lot easier. When slimes eat, they make plorts. Wait, so it's poop? I just get to cash in the poop? I mean, that sounds good to me. Okay, Plort Market gives you new bucks for your hard-earned plorts. Right. I made coins. Great, what now? Do I collect them all? Hello, my friend. Oh. Okay, let's try to do this the easy way this time. Oh, right. Switch. Oh. They're so cute. They're just happy. Oh, my little baby boy. I wish I could free range them. I want them to see the world. What the heck? Casey. That's gotta be spam. I don't know any Casey. Okay, is this my house? E. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? Can't imagine what that's like. Okay. Cool. Just some mail. I don't want to sleep. I want to ranch. Oh yeah. I'll give them my plort. Wait, what do they eat? How can I feed my slimes? What does this do? No, can't do that quite yet. Can't pick that. Dry reef. Oh. Oh my god. How many can I collect? All of them? Get in here! Fruits! Yes, I will feed them. My children. Do these grow back? Oh, definitely. Nice. I like how it only harvests the ones that are ready. Oh, okay. Thanks. They're like, you're already exploring. We'll just leave you to it then. Thank you. Oops. I didn't mean to. Well, you can have that. Look at them. They love it. Yeah. Whoa. Can't forget any plorts. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm full. I am gonna need so many more places for them to live already. What is that? Chicken. I don't know what to do with that. How much? Make that. Okay. I go fast. Gotta go fast. Okay. You guys can have this. Look at them go. Now I'll feed this one some carrots. We need more over here. I don't know how much they need. Can I suck up this chicken? Hen. Oh. Do they eat the chicken? Are they just gonna eat him? I'm scared. Scared for his life. Bro, they plorted him. Wait, so now how do I pick these up? Okay. With like a gentle suction? No, I didn't want to... Okay. If I'm real gentle, I can pick up these plorts. Oh. They got the exchange rate posted. Wait, I gotta go get that other chicken. Roostro. Can I breed the chickens? Sorry. No. How do I get the special plorts? No. No. Oh, guys, help me. Okay. There's just chickens everywhere. Do they just like show up all the time? What does this do? Water tank. Jetpack. Hearts. Power. Tank booster. I need that one. Wait, how much is the tank booster? I'm gonna get that next. So do I get tired if I don't go to bed? How did these end up here? They've got like the Chuck E. Cheese ticket muncher sound effect when they eat. I think it's telling me what time it is, but I can't see it. Nonetheless, I'm rich. I guess I will go to sleep. Good morning. My beautiful chimes. How do I make more? How do I make them kiss? I just want to go just find some more. Keep forgetting I can sprint. What is this? H. Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hobson Twillagers, rancher, explorer, and the former owner of this here ranch you call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember, and I felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I've set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this land here I love, so keep your peepers peeled for the notes like these if you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Okay, thanks Henry. Wait, what's your name again? Hobson. Thanks Hobson. These are just like wild, and I can just like take their plorts. You don't even mind. Oh my god, all those plorts. I like the surprised expression when I suck them up. Whoa! Whoa! Twins. They look like like just a strawberry tongue hulu. Okay, you're coming with me. Is that a big egg? It's just a big rock.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. A rock. A rock.
Oh. Keeps the chickens in place, prevents the uprising. Yeah, let's do that. You can live here. Oh! What the? No! They ain't supposed to jump out. Hello? Well, can I change this? I think I've made a mistake. Oh, okay. I see what I have to do. I'm gonna have to make these walls higher. I need more money. Need that good coin. Let me feed you guys. So you will give me money. Only 9? Oh. It's going up and down? Do I have like a plort bank? Place where I can like store my plorts? But I mean, any money is good money right now. Oh, can I jump in? That doesn't seem safe. Anyway, any money is good money right now, so... Wow, I'm just gonna have to deal with them jumping out. It's fine. This is fine. This is fine. I'll just put him back in. And here I thought, you'll be good little slimes. You won't leave. What the hell is that? Mama plort? She's a biggin. Hi. Yeah, I didn't think that would work. Wait, hold on. Yummy. Yeah. Here we go. You need some more? Feed her. Oh, is she getting bigger? Oh. The map. It means nothing to me right now. Oh! What is that? Tabby slime. Little baby slime. And then what's this? Oh. I gotta make sure he isn't scared. Largo slimes. Largo slimes are large slime hybrids formed when the slime eats a plort, unlike its own. Okay. Wait, I can bring him home? What's that baby chicken? Cute. I don't have time for you right now, but okay. I'm gonna take you home. Come on, buddy. Let's go home. Yeah. 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 I feel like I've got like a ghost just bringing a ghost home. Oh. Come on. You are gonna be my new best friend. Yeah, big man. And you guys can just live in here for now. So I don't have anywhere else to put you. Oh, that's not good. You're already out. How much for the tall walls again? I should have done that first. Hey, Hobbit, what's his name again? I need money. What the? Oh, they keep getting out. My life me, bro. My life me. What's your name again? Hobson. Do they just like to stack? I do enjoy that. What is that? Water. How do I get up? There's a way up. Okay. More food. That's exactly what I need. Whoa, lots of food over here. Guess I'm taking home some chickadoos too. Oh, this is where I can get water. Okay. Let's run home. And then feed them all the fruit. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm taking that with me then. How do I open it? Maybe if I like throw it? Nope. What the hell? What is this? Jumbo Kitty? Bro, that's what I look like in real life. Who dutied? Gross. Make them bigger. Oh, let's you get out of that now. Come on, Chumbo. Ah, there we go. Uh-huh. How can I break this? Oh, shit. Oh, no, 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 no. No! No, 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 please! No, please! Okay. I guess I can't swim. Okay, so they get hungry and then they try to kill me. Good to know. Any new stuff? Oh good, lots of food out here today. Need to grab it before these guys do, I think. I mean, I guess I can just take their plorts, but you know. I want to feed my slimes, not you free loading, free ranging you. I'll shoot food into an airborne slime's mouth. Nice. Whoa! Whoa! Guys, shot me up. Special port. Did you? Oh, he ate the special port. Seven. Hate you. I 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 hate you. Oh, not making any damn money. Oh, give me your big plort. Yes. Rock plort. Rock plort. Ow! Buddy, that hurt. He's a little aggressive. I'm gonna exchange my rock plort. Hopefully get way more money. You are not supposed to be out. $29, not bad. And they're up today. Okay, now we can start a farm. Let's do this away from them. Purchase. Shoot a veggie into the depositor to begin growing more of that type. Oh. Can you make crot? Crot is very healthy. Yippee! Wait, they grow really fast. Oh my gosh. Are they gonna be done already? No. Interesting. Boop. Oh. Apparently I got booped. I'm kind of just trying. Just getting achievements and trying. Whoa, no way! Sell 100 plorts. I've already sold 100 plorts. Can you guys believe that? What does this do? Thora West. Help me out here and I'll make sure you get what's owed. Oh. What's that? I have 22 minutes. I don't know if I can make 750 in 22 minutes. I could try. She needs 6 of these. Oh. 1. Oh. Am I not doing this right? I'm doing it. I'm really doing it. I'm ranching slimes. Yippee! Woo! Oh yeah, I could do that all day. Wait! Oh my god, he went in! Yeah! Hole in one, bro! I should probably keep feeding you. I want to see what happens. Okay, maybe I could get a really big plort. I've just started this game, and it's already all about plorts. What about the slimes? Is he pissed? Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? No! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! Get out of here. Oh no. Oh, my little guys. Oh, this is not going to be controlled at all. How do I kill them? How do I kill them? What do I do? What do I do? Tell me how to fix it! Can I get like an attack? Where's my gun upgrades? Where's the fight one? Oh god, I don't know what to do. Water tank? Just yeah, it'll dissolve them. How do I get water? No. Bro, my entire slime colony is about to die right now. Help me, bro. Is that water spout the only way, or am I just going out of my way for nothing? I'm so scared. They're all gonna die. Okay. I have water times 20. That's as good as it's gonna get. Oh my god, they're all dead. Bro. Is he okay? I lost everything. I mean, I guess this is fine. It's just a little factory reset. I'm gonna fill him with rock slimes. I think I had too many anyway. It felt a bit crazy, not gonna lie. I need that. There we go. This is very good. That is never happening to me again. I'm gonna make sure of it. Well, I guess I'll go out and get some more slimes. Since I killed my whole first batch. It's fine. We're wiser now. Smarter and wiser. And we know what we're doing. This is not gonna happen again. I want these rock slimes. They're cute. And then maybe I could get a few of the small tabby slimes. Oh! Disgusting. How did that happen? Do they just go bad sometimes? Why does that happen? It's fine. It's fine. I have my rock slimes. Everything's fine. We're gonna be just fine. And everything's gonna be good. Everything's good in the slime ranch. Nothing bad happened in here. I promise I didn't kill all of the slimes. They come back every year. Oh, do the big ones make 2? Well, that's a reason to keep them. What the? Why? Why does it happen? Ow. Just saved your life. Be grateful. Have at least 3 different types of largos in the same corral. Well, they're just living there, bro. What if I, like, returned you to the wild? I could just put you back from whence you came. Later. Oh, it's Victor. He has a GBA on his chest. I still haven't figured out how to give him... I'm not getting that. I don't know what that is. Cube berry? Wait. Oh! I'm so stupid. That's what he's gonna give me. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Let's go find some rock and tabby slimes then. Yes. Oh, I already have 5 at home. I think you wanted 9. Gotta hurry up before they eat something weird. Okay, that's 3 of them. Tabby slime. No! Turd. No. Wait, what's up here? Hello? Oh my gosh. The stockpile, bro. I think I'm gonna get them all out here. Okay. We're doing good for ourselves. We got the slimes that we needed to get. Woohoo! Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. I finished his task in like 2 seconds. Bro's gonna be so proud of me. So now that I have the right items, I can actually put them in. Oh! Needed exactly 10. Now I'll need to grab 1 from my private selection. Ah. Whoa! That's festive. Q-berry. Literally. I literally thought I had to give that other woman 750 of my hard-earned coin, and I was like, why? Oh, yes. I'm gonna grab some cube berries. They're cute. It reminds me of Minecraft. Woohoo! Yahoo! Wow! Maybe I should do the jetpack. Bro, yes. This is gonna change everything. I'm gonna go up there. Woohoo! What's down there? I'm gonna find new places. I mean, I guess I could have gotten over here before. I'm trying to see if there's anything new. I do just like walking around though. The jetpack is fairly weak, but it's okay. Whoa. Stony hen. Okay. Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna f this up this time. I won't mess this up. Let me figure out how to open this. Yes! What is it? Hen ornament. Maybe I need to put this away first. Oh, you guys. Collectible decorations for your ranch. So how do I use it? Oh, yes! Very nice. Another one. So it's randomly generated. Nice. Another hen. I'm gonna put it next to the other one. That's pretty good. Cute. Oh, whoa. Okay. Nice. With the key. Okay. Well, I mean, let's go open up the lock, right? Excuse me. Pardon me. Sorry, I'm busy. Yeah. Opened up the slime gate. Get to see what's inside. Oh! Discovered the quarry. Oh! Woo! Philosopher's slime! He's just a baby! What is that? Is there any little ones? Oh! I think maybe I should go home. No. Boom slime. Oh, how do I leave now? I think I need to go home. I'm up way too late. Past my bedtime. I gotta get home and get some sleep before I lose it all. Whoa. They only come out at night. That must be it. What the heck is that? What? I don't know what I was supposed to do. Okay. The question is, does it work? I guess I can sacrifice one. It seems to work. Well, until he does that. Alright, guys. So the good news is, I played 2 hours of Slime Rancher. The bad news is, I played 2 hours of Slime Rancher. So, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment on any suggestions of what I should do or what your favorite slime is. Don't give me too many pointers, I'll figure it out. But of course, if you have anything pressing to say, let me know for sure. I respond to all my comments, unless I don't really have anything to say. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day, a good night, whatever, and I'll see you later.